Hello. So many cookies.
Hello.
Thank you, Jolt. Oh, why
Thank
do
you,
I hear
Jolt.
myself? Okay. Hi, Sonny. Hi, Jolt. Hi, Luscale. Hello, hello, hello. So, congrats on being first. The leaderboard works. Nice. Gonna run your daily real fast. Daily on what game, Sonny? You play so many games. But hope you're all doing well. Today we're gonna keep working on this overlay thing. And hopefully get the VIP thing working. Oh, Fall Guys. I haven't played Fall Guys in a long time. Anything special over there? To be here listening? Sounds good. Thank you, Sonny. Appreciate it. But yeah, thank you, Joe, for redeeming the first. We can see that it works. Ram! Hello, hello. How are you? Alright, let's see. What was I doing? I don't remember. A good thing, I put some notes over here. Need to find max points. Okay. This came out 2 days ago. Oh, okay. Some new event. Okay, so I remember now. So what I did is, I don't know if it works, but I suppose that this list is, oh, it has the old values, maybe. Oh, nerd ambush on side. Thank you for the clip, Jolt. Is it a ambush of cookies? But yeah, okay. So I see that Jolt is here with 501 points, which is correct. Kabuka has 10 points, which is from last stream, I think. So I need to add a reset thing because I do not have a reset thing. So that's good to know. I'll do that later. I'll add a comment to remind me to not forget that. Reset on stream start. Okay. But yeah, so I have a system where it collects the number of points. I guess I can remove this. So this is accurate now. 501 points from 500 from the cookies and 1 point from the first. So that's good. It's tracking the points for you and fortunately cookies. Yes. And nothing else in cookies. But how's everyone doing? How's your Thursday going? My eyes are a bit blurry, but should be okay. Because I went to the eye doctor, they dilated my eyes, so everything was blurry and bright for a couple of hours, I guess. Okay, so let's see. We're saving everything. We got the points. Need to go to the eye place too. You should do that if you need to. But next is figuring out how to find the whoever has the most points. Oh, new glasses. Yeah, you should do that so you can see clearly. Especially in Fall Guys, so you can see all the people, all the kids that you gotta push off, right? I'm kidding. But it's good to have new glasses if you need them. Only if you need them. Because otherwise your eyes will get worse if you force them. Glasses like 4 years old, probably time to get a new one. Probably. Okay, bitty, interesting. What am I looking for? So I need a system to loop through all the points. Okay, so I'm gonna do a loop. For loop. Ooh, strawberry. You don't see this, but Sarah put strawberries in front of me. Thank you. Now I have 4 giant strawberries. Okay, so a for loop. Oh, I add the for loop. Index. So I need size, integer, list size, list. Nice. Hello to her. Sonny says hello to you.
Hello.
She says hello. Okay, integer list last index length. There we go. Integer list length. And the list I'm gonna do get integer, no, integer get list. Where is that? Oh, is that a variable? It is. Okay, I'll just copy this one. So I get the list of points, which is the number of time we have to loop. First index is 0. Interval. Okay. So on the loop body, we're gonna find the max. So we're gonna add a new variable. Integer variable. I'm gonna make a new one, I guess, called max. Max points, and it's gonna be an integer. It starts with 0. And then greater. So if a number is greater, so let's see. So we need to grab the number from the list. Integer get element. So from this list, we get this element. And then we check if that value is greater than the what was this one for? Get variable, then the max point. So we get the points. For each one, we compare if it's higher than the max point. If it is, then save the max point with the new number. And also, let's see. Also need another variable. Index. Max point index, which will be an integer, starts at -1, and integer get. Oh wait, no, we need a set. I'll need this later, so it's fine. So once we find a new max value, then we need to save it with the current index. This way we know who is the max. Okay, so it's gonna do this on the loop until it reaches the end. And by the end, whoever is in the max point should be the highest index. So at the end, we grab the max index, and then we grab the element, which will be the name. Stringless variable. We do need both of them. Okay. So we grab the name of users at the max index. Well, did the music just change randomly? Interesting. And then we put that. I don't need this for loop anymore. Put that name into here, the VIP text, and that's at the end of the loop. Okay, so this should loop through, find the highest number, on the name for that highest number, and write it down. And now trigger this. How? Okay, I don't need this comment anymore. On redeem, switch to redeemed. Can I connect two things? If branch. So on channel redeem, if the user exists. Okay, so let's see. If I connect this and this, does that work? Oh, it does. Okay. So either way, whenever the new name is saved, then we check all the numbers and then we trigger that. Okay. So technically, if I click this, the name of Jolt should appear. No, it's showing my name. Why? My name should not show up. Users. The list of users only has Jolt. Oh, it's still -1. Thief. No, I didn't mean it. I guess he needs to calculate. I need to run this. There you go. Jolt. Huh. Why is it written differently? Why is one of them all caps and one of them not all caps? Where did I go wrong? Username. Oh, display name, not username. Okay, so that's where I went wrong. What's wrong with the music? Okay. Oh, my headphones is disconnecting. Not the music that's disconnecting. It's my headphones. That was strange. To fix that. What happened? Just power on. Battery about 70%. Stop connecting to Bluetooth. Bluetooth connect. Can I hear music now? No. Am I allowed to hear music? It is. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now I guess I need to fix this with the correct name. I'm just gonna copy your name in all caps, put it here, and let's update. There we go. Now your name is up there. Okay, we got the system done. It's a little bit complicated. I wish I did this in code instead of nodes, but it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna group things in a way that makes sense. Is there a group? Toggle group it in groups. Huh? Oh, I guess I can create a group in this. Oops. There isn't a way to really put everything in group. YouTube variable. Pause music, jump time, literal latest interaction, input flow control, gate, throttle, interesting. Switch, watch a sequence. Interesting. Multi-gate, gate, flow, flip-flop, delay, data function. Interesting. I don't know what this does, but interesting. Why are you not closing? Okay. This thing is bugged. There we go. That was weird. External. Oh yeah, that's okay. WebSocket events debug. Don't need that. Data. Blueprints. Toggle reference. Oh, can connect to another blueprint. Okay, I guess there's nothing to really group them. I'll just do my best. So let's move these up together. More format. There's a format. Pat the slime. Okay, pat. Thank you for the pat. Let's see. Aha, 511. That works. Okay, so this one, let's add a comment. Explain what this is. Edit. On Twitch, redeem. If first, put name into first text. It's tiny though. There. Okay, so that's this is what that does. Here, okay, here I need to organize this better. So let's see, because it's a mess here. This part is not too bad. It's kind of linear-ish. Let's line them up nicely. Okay, so this block is get name at index of max points, and then here is basically grab the name. Let's see how can I organize this better. It's messy. Get integer list. A little bit better. And move these ones back. Not too far, I guess, because of this block. Let's see. think I can duplicate this and connect it here. It'll be cleaner. Maybe something like that. A little bit cleaner, right? And this one should connect down here. Let's pull everything down a little bit more, so the grouping makes more sense. Okay, I have an idea. I'll swap these. Because I don't want it to have too many crossing lines, so it's a little bit, tiny bit easier to track. This one is fine. Here. There we go. Much better. Okay, so this top part is on Twitch Redeem. What does it do? If branch. Oh, okay. So this if needs a comment. So this is if user is on the list. I'll put it there. And then here is save user and points to list. Save or update user and point to list. This part. And this part is this is what? Grab the name. Oh. Get the existing points of user. And then here is find the user with most points. Okay, cool. Eat the strawberry. Okay, next part is reset. I need to reset both of the values when I start stream. So start something with Twitch chat, user whisper, and channel. Oh, there's no like starting. Interesting. That's a problem. How am I doing these? Channel point redeem, stream deck, streamer bot. Do streamer bot action. Yeah, do streamer bot action is not what I want as well. Is there on start? Assets, land shapes. String starts with start receive, start reading. That's interesting, there's no on start event. I wonder if there's a good way for me to trigger something here from StreamerBot. I guess with WebSocket, right? On WebSocket action. Send JSON string like to WebSocket to trigger exit flow. Okay. Stream start. So if I send an action called stream start, this should trigger, right? Test. Now let's see if I can trigger that with StreamerBot. Because if I can, then it's easy. Let's see actions. Let's create a new action. Stream start. I'll put that under AutoMod. Then on stream start, let's add a core WebSocket action queue commands network UDP broadcast system. Is the background just the GIF on repeat? You mean this, like the spinning gears? I created that animation and it's a video actually in background. Maybe I should make it a GIF, but it's a video. Keyboard press timer trigger user voice control. Integration. Oh, Gato core. I guess I can do it in code. That'll be super easy. Send a local signal. What's a signal? Interesting. Actually, is there even like a stream start channel? Stream online. Okay, yeah, there is. Okay, so how do I send? Yeah, maybe I can show at some point how that animation is made. It's made all in Unity. It's just a looped animation. Channel chat? No. I think it's on the core. And I feel like it should be one of these. Run a program. Users. Yeah, I think I'll do just in code. I'm gonna need some examples. Streamer bot send message WebSocket. Or maybe wait, isn't there like a server client? Create your own connection. Connect to what is it called? Warudo. Right. Localhost 19.19.0. to do this. Let me check. Trigger message. I don't want to trigger action, sub action, WebSocket. Warudo WebSocket. Maybe I'll check there how to do it. Plugins. Plugin type. Oh, there's a tutorial. Maybe we watch that tutorial together. Okay, let's do that. How to connect StreamerBot to Warudo. That's exactly what I want.
Hi everybody. I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying your lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'm going to be showing you on how to set up Warudo with StreamerBot, because I'm really obsessed with StreamerBot. As you can literally see, I have too much stuff going on. But I'm going to show you how to set up, because maybe you might also join me on the StreamerBot club. Go. But basically though, just a quick demonstration. So pretty much, in case you don't know what StreamerBot is basically like a streamer, program. It allows you, like, if you want support for Warudo, because yes, I'm just giving an example. There could be like some plugins you can download to add like support for some, support for that for Warudo. Your own research on StreamerBot on whether. Holy heck, this is gorgeous. I still wish I have a better UI though. But either way though, at least the UI ain't that bad. But either way, basically, what you're going to do, how to pretty much replicate that, you can press on add to servers and clients here. You're gonna have to go into the WebSocket client, and then basically, as you can see here, this is my setting for Warudo. It looks just like this basically. And how to pretty much replicate that, you can press on add. Then you can type in Warudo here. Then you can
endpoint. Okay, that's what I need. Endpoint is WS. For me, it will be localhost. /localhost 19.0/ I think.
For here, this number that says 8080, type in 19190 instead. Make sure auto connect on startup and reconnect on disconnect is enabled.
Connect on startup and connect on disconnect. Okay.
And then pretty much you should be good to go. You connect it basically, because by chance you have an error message, it probably means that your firewall is not working right with Warudo, so please make sure to check your firewall for that. If you still run into some issues, you can definitely join the Warudo Discord server, and you can contact Tiger regarding socket assistance, so you should be good. But otherwise though, pretty much, there's that. Now, once we have that, basically, I also recommend also making sure that your WebSocket server is set to auto start. I don't think this is useful at all, but this is like if you're gonna do some OBS stuff, because I do like with. Let's say, for instance, we want basically like
do a thing. Guess move forward.
But just to avoid confusion, you can have the action and this to be the same name if you want to avoid that confusion, I guess. So let me look here. Stream elements test, no space. So that's what I have. But this is basically going to be the name. Again, you just copy from the description. If someone tips me on stream elements in Warudo for things to happen. Raw message. My bad. So on WebSocket raw message, we need this. You're going to then type in on string a StreamerBot is telling Warudo.
Okay.
You see, doesn't have to be like. So that's pretty much how you can.
Okay, I have a pretty good idea. Let's test. Okay, so if I get stream start, I need action stream start, and that is exactly what I'm gonna send. So I have this. Go back to my actions. Add code. cph.websocket send, and then what does it take? Oh, string data, byte data. Okay, I guess I can probably just do something super simple, right? Like action. Let's see. How do I do this? I need embedded strings. Here. Action and stream start. I think that's what I have. Stream start. Yes. Compile. It doesn't like that. What is it missing? No method. Like 0 argument. There is an argument here. Okay. String message this thing and that message. Unexpected. Okay, it doesn't like this. I don't want to overcomplicate this. Can I just do this? 2 memory characters and a character literal. Okay. I don't remember. So I want a string with. Oh, okay. I know. I'll just escape the strings. The quotes. There we go. Okay. Save and compile. I guess I can test. So in theory, if this works, this should do a thing. Test. It works. Aha. Okay. So when this happens, I can create a reset. So the reset, I need to delete the values and set the values. So integer set. Nice. Yeah. I'm gonna set the max point back to -1, and then we're gonna set the max point index to -1, and then list clear. No, is there something with the list so I can delete them? Reduce, remove, resize, remove. I mean, I could create a new list. Yeah, I could create a new list. Set. So let's have the string of list and an integer list. So this one is the points and this one is the users. I'm gonna make them empty. Oh yeah, I can just do that, right? Set that the points to empty and set this to empty. Onk. Hi L. Nice. How are you doing? Oh, and the leaderboard works. You overtook Jot. Hello. That worked. Nice. You're sick? Oh no. Hope you get better soon. Hope it's not too bad. Okay, so I think we got the leaderboard thing working. We got it. Hydration break. Thank you, Joe. Grab some water. Oh. L got overtaken by Joe. Thank you for the hydration break. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. When are you gonna redeem Pokemon Trainer? I feel like Jolt probably has enough points, right? Maybe. How many channel points do you have, Jolt? I'm curious. Okay, save. How do I save? Save. Yeah, leaderboard is done. Really. Got a reset on stream start. So that means I always need to have StreamerBot on first. Not nerdy enough. I don't know about that. Been around for a while. I'm sure you have a lot. But yeah, I think I'm done with fixing this part. It's a bit of a complicated spaghetti of nodes, which is actually not that bad. It's manageable, and I added some comments around to help me understand in the future if I need to go back in here and fix things. But for now, it should work. And then I guess next stream we'll see if it resets correctly. Oh, one more thing that will reset. Resetting the values is one thing. I also need to remove the text. So let's see. Let's grab the. Where is that? This one. So need to change the VIP text to nothing, or maybe I could just put a dash. And also the first text to nothing. Could grind the points if we stream more, but that will require you to stop feeding the slime and ushering you by a cookie, and that's happening. That's true. That's true. Well, you choose what's worth for you. Okay, now we got a proper reset. Let's save that. Okay, finally I have a working leaderboard again. Now, let's see, what else was not working? Slime cookie was not working, right? Feeding the slime. Feed slime. Cookie. Eat cookie. But this should work. Was it just disabled? Is that what happened? Is that the reason why it was not working? Let's see. Platform, Twitch, channel points. It's all disabled here. Interesting. Feed slime cookie. I cannot enable from here. Okay. Not sure what sprite works as a request. That's fair. Jolteon chooses Ash. Go Ash. Wait a minute. That's interesting. Okay, let's manage the rewards. So currently the feed the slime, it's on. Why? Oh, is it because the action is off? No. Pat the slime, feed the slime. Let me try. It's temporarily not available. What did I do? Oh, it's paused. How do I unpause that? View request. Feed slime. Unpause. You know, that would be a fun thing instead of the VD getting raided. Mine would be catching him instead. Oh no. Okay, let's test this. Does that work? It doesn't work. That's why I paused it. Okay. He's not working. Just think I cannot control it from here. Okay. So why is it not working? Paused it again. So find animation, eat cookie. Oh. It's not seeing the animation for some reason. What happened? Oh, wait. The slime is not in Warudo. Points. Time to gamble. And losing. That's the reason. The slime is not enabled yet. Okay. I don't know if I want to do that now though. I guess let's try it for a little bit. Let's turn on the slime. Now we have a second slime. It's in the odd position a little bit. What you doing over there, buddy? Oh, what's so wiggly? So wiggly. Shop again, wiggly. Wiggly, wiggly. Gamble. Whoa. Wow, Sonny. Let's go. Woo. That's Sonny being happy. Wee. Okay. Let's turn it. Okay. Second slime. Gamble and loss. Oh no. Wee. I like the jiggly. Okay. Collision detection. Enabled. Ooh, what does that do? Does that... Oh, I need to enable on my avatar, right? Animation. Breeding animation. Am I breeding yet? No? Okay. Ragdoll mesh. I guess I should add some colliders to my avatar or something. Found a hack. Oh no. You gambled more than 3 points, but you only lost 3 points. Hacker! Jod, not your lucky day. Okay, let's see. So we got slime here. Let's see if we can do some animations on that slime. Don't want to touch anything, that's fine. Mesh is there, blend shapes. There's some charcoal. Oh yeah, I think I couldn't figure out the animations back then. Eat cookie. Yum. Okay. It works. Maybe we can use that, right? With the hands, it's also cute. It's always T-posing though. Is there a way I can know T-pose? Collision, blend shapes, hands. Oh, I can hide the hands. Okay. I mean, that's one option. I can just hide the hands. Gambling, losing. Oh no. God, what's happening? What happened? Blend shape. Set blend shape? Maybe? It's a prop. has a mesh. And there's no blend shapes. Oh, okay. I guess I didn't really make blend shapes for the hands. I was just hiding it and animating it. I want to try this. Happy slime? Wide open slime? Oh. Sad slime? I don't know if you can kind of see it. It's just the mouth. Let me make it bigger. Bigger slime. Giant slime. Wiggle wiggle. Wiggle wiggle. Okay, so I made the blend shapes for like the different mouths. This one is like happy, cat face, wide open, narrow, from 31 to 46. Oof, big oof. Big open. Wow. Or nothing. Okay. So I can do blend shapes, but I don't really need that yet. Let's remove that. Material properties. Let me see. So the hands I can make them invisible. I don't think I can scale them, right? Transform. Get asset transform of the slime. Not quite, huh? What about get asset game object property? So the asset will be slime. Oh, I can grab the hands or the arms, bone, hair, and left and right. So I could do something like this, local scale. Oh, so this is a get. Where's the set? Set. Okay. Slime. Path. Bone arm. Bone arm or just arm? Maybe I can do bone. No, let's do just the arm. Okay, so left hand. Component transform. Get this scale. Out of curiosity, you ever messed with that data model set? I haven't had the chance to. I haven't had the chance to do much. I didn't even play Pokopia on my own time. Been so busy. But no, I haven't had the time. But thank you for saying it over. Hopefully I find some time to play with it. Okay. So let's do a vector 3. I want a literal vector 3. And let's see. Can I override the hand? No. You almost forgot it. Okay, so changing the hand directly does not work. What about the bone? Oh, let's try this. That works. And 1 is the default, I imagine. Okay. So that works. So I can hide and unhide the hands with this thing. So what I can do is, before I trigger this animation, I can set the hands, I'm gonna do this to 1, do the animation, fire animation trigger, animation, set animation, toggle animation, trigger. Okay. I think fire alarm. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the stream because fire alarm, and I don't want to stay in here. So I'm gonna send you all the raid queue, okay? Let her know. We say hi. Sorry about that, guys. Bye.